Hi friends, welcome to the dj.anshi YouTube channels. In the previous classes, we're learning about the asymptotes, oblique asymptotes. Today we're discussing the intersections of the curve and its asymptotes. Let me discussing the problems. The first problem is show that the four asymptotes of the curve x square minus y square into y square minus 4x square plus 6x cube minus 5x square y minus 3xy square plus 2y cube minus x square plus 3xy minus 1 which is equal to 0. Cut the curve again in 8 points which lie on the circle x square plus y square which is equal to 1. First, we find out the asymptotes. After that, we show that this curve again cut in 8 points which lie on the circle x square plus y square which is equal to 1. Okay. The first step is you call this equation as equation number 1. Then you arrange the 4 degree terms, 3 degree terms and 2 degree terms. Okay. Then you put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to m to higher degree terms. You get pi 4 of m which is equal to 1 minus m square. 1 minus m square into m square minus 4. After you putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to m, you simplify this, you get minus m power 4 plus 5m square plus 4. Then pi 3 of m which is equal to pi 3 of m means 3 degree terms ke put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to m apply madbeku. Okay, you get 6 minus 5m minus 3m square plus 2m cube. Next pi 2 of m which is equal to minus 1 plus 3m. Next you put pi 4 of m which is equal to 0 for finding the roots of m. Okay, the pi 4 of m is 1 minus m square into m square minus 4 is equal to 0. Either 1 minus m square is equal to 0 or m square minus 4 which is equal to 0. You simplify this, you get m square which is equal to 1. M square minus 4 which is equal to 0 means m square minus 2 square which is equal to 0. Is of the form a square minus b square formula. By applying a square minus b square formula, so you get m plus 2 into m minus 2 which is equal to 0. You simplify this, you get m plus 2 is equal to 0 or m minus 2 is equal to 0. You get the 4 different roots. They are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Okay, then we find the value of c. In this case we see 4 different types of roots. So using this formula we find the value of c which is equal to minus pi 3 of m by pi 4 dash of m. Pi 4 dash of m means differentiation of pi 4 of m. The pi 4 of m is minus m power 4 plus 5m square plus 4. This differentiation is minus 4m cube plus 10m minus pi 3 of m. Pi 3 of m is 6 minus 5m minus 3m square plus 2m cube which is equal to, you simplify this, you get minus 2m cube plus 3m square plus 5m minus 6 by 10m minus 4m cube. Look here, there are 4 different roots ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ you get the c value. Okay, for m1 which is equal to minus 1, you get the c1 value. Puts m is equal to minus 1, you get the c value. The c value is equal to 1. We know that the equation y is equal to m1x plus c1. By putting m1 and c1 value, you get the asymptotes y plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. For m2 is equal to 1, you getting c2 value. The c2 value is 0. After the applying m2 and c2 value to this equations, you get the another asymptotes y minus x is equal to 0. Next, for m3 is equal to minus 2, you get c3 value. The c3 value is 1. You get the asymptotes is y plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 by putting m2 m3 and c3 value to this equations. Okay, for m4 is equal to 2, you get c4 value. That c4 value is 0. So you put m4 and c4 value to the y is equal to m4x plus c4. You get the another asymptotes y minus 2x is equal to 0. You get 4 asymptotes. Y plus x minus 1 is equal to 0, y minus x is equal to 0, y plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, y minus 2x is equal to 0. You called these asymptotes as equation 2, equation 3, equation 4 and equation number 5. Multiply these equations. Multiply equation 2, 3, 4 and 5. You get y plus x minus 1 into y minus x into y plus 2x minus 1 into y minus 2x is equal to 0. You call this as equation number 6. Adding equation number 1 and equation 6. What is the equation 1? Equation 1 is the given equation of a curve. The given equation of curve is x square minus y square into y square minus 4x square plus 6x cube minus 5x square y minus 3xy square plus 2y cube minus x square plus 3xy minus 1 is equal to 0. The equation 6, this is the equation 6 which is equal to 0. You adding both the equations, you get x square plus y square is equal to 1. It is a equation of the circle of unit radius and cut the curve at n into n minus 2 points. The n value is 4. Because in the given equation of a curve, the highest degree is 4. So n is equal to 4. You put n by 4, you get 8 points. So we say x square plus y square is equal to 1, which is a circle of unit radius, and cut the curve at 8 points. Okay. The next problem is, show that the asymptotes of the cubic curve x cube minus 2y cube plus xy into 2x minus y plus y into x minus y plus 1 which is equal to 0. Cut the curve again in 3 points which lie on straight line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. First we find out the asymptotes. After that we show that the cubic curve cut again in 3 points which lie on the straight line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. The solution is, write down the given equations of the curve, then you call this equation as equation number 1. You arrange first 3 degree term and 2 degree term. This is 3rd degree term and this is 2 degree term. First you simplify the given equation of a curve. After that you put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to m to higher degree terms. You get pi 3 of m which is equal to 1 minus 2m cube plus 2m minus m square and pi 2 of m which is equal to m minus m square by putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to m. Okay. Put pi 3 of m which is equal to 0 for finding the roots of m. Pi 3 of m is this one. 1 plus 2m minus m square minus 2m cube which is equal to 0. Then you simplify this. Then you get 3 different roots. After the getting 3 different roots, then finding the value of c which is equal to minus pi 2 of m by pi 3 dash of m. So c which is equal to minus pi 2 of m is m minus m square. Pi 3 dash of m is differentiation of pi 3 of m. Pi 3 of m is this. This differentiation is minus 6m square minus 2m plus 2. Okay. The next you get the c which is equal to m square minus m by minus 6m square minus 2m plus 2. Okay. By putting m is equal to minus of minus 1 plus 1, you get 3 different values of c. So for m1 is equal to minus of, you get c1 value. Put c by minus of, you get c1 value. That c1 value is plus half. So y is equal to m1x plus c1. This implies you putting m1 and c1 value, you get the asymptotes 2y plus x minus 1 which is equal to 0. Next, you put m by minus 1, you get c value. For m2 is equal to minus 1, you get c2 value is minus 1. So you put m2 and c2 value to this equations, you get the another asymptotes y plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. You put m3 is equal to 1 to this equation, you get c value. C value is 0. You put m3 and c3 value to this equations, you get y minus x which is equal to 0. You get 3 asymptotes. You call these asymptotes as equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. You multiply equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. Multiply equations 2, 3 and 4, we get y minus x into y plus x plus 1 into 2y plus x minus 1 which is equal to 0. You call this as equation 5. Adding equation 1 and equation 5. Equation 1 is given equation of a curve and equation 5 is this one. Okay. You simplify these equations, you get x minus y plus 1 which is equal to 0. Which is a straight line. It is a straight line. Cut the curve at n into n minus 2 points. The n value is 3 because the highest degree in the given equation of the curve is 3. So n is equal to 3. You put n by 3, you get 3 points. Okay, that's about your intersections of the curve and its asymptotes. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please ask me in the comment section. If you like a video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you for watching.